Mat and his animals.
Mat lives in a small house near the paddy field. He has 4 pets: a cat, a dog, a rabbit, and a hamster.
Every morning, Mat says, "Good morning, my friends." The cat, Mimi, purrs softly. The dog, Bobby, wags his tail. The rabbit, Loppy, hops around happily. The hamster, Chico, runs in his little wheel. Mat gives them food. Mimi drinks milk. Bobby eats bones. Loppy munches on carrots. Chico nibbles on seeds. After breakfast, they play in the garden. They run, jump, and chase butterflies. Mat laughs and claps his hands. He loves his animals very much. When the sun goes down, the animals feel sleepy. They all curl up and sleep. It is a happy day for Mat and his animals.